guys, it's another beautiful day with my sweet voice. If you can't hear me, please just bear with me, okay? I'm going through some kind of infected cold and flu because of the harmattan and the kind of change of weather, okay? So welcome back to another episode. I'm going out to check out some gadgets today, and hopefully I will find the one I want. So let's go. Okay, are you ready? I don't even know if I can be able to carry you guys along because people literally hate seeing camera. Okay, so I don't know how it will go, but I pray it's going to be okay and fine. Hello and welcome back again to my channel. Yeah, it took me forever to come back here again, right? And we have changed our look, and I'm still recovering from the infected cold and flu. Okay, so welcome back again to my channel. I want to close this vlog here, but before that we have an unboxing to do on this channel. You know, I've been doing unboxing but this time around is a way too different from the kind of unboxing I do. Yeah, I ordered something on Jumia recently, and it's happened that out of the two items I ordered, it's only one that arrived. So it happened that I will still be going back again to Jumia, but I didn't even know. I don't even check delivering difference. That was the main reason why it's like this. Okay, so the one that arrived is this one over here. So this is from Jumia, and it's still sealed. It's still sealed, and I have not opened it. So let's open it up and know what is inside it.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead.
Unboxing to do, so I want to get a thumbnail before that, but I've done that already. So let's open it up and know what is inside. So if you hear any forms of weird noise, background noise, just know that I live around busy area, and this is school hour, and it happens that few schools are dismissed. That means you'll be hearing voices from school students, children that are going home. Okay. Let me tear it up. Can you see that? Just little something. You see the way they package this thing, the way they really package these things. It's scary at times. If care is not taken, it will be just one small item, one very small item. But the way they will package it, you you go fear. My still broken, give them a small. No sir, the Nigerian girl. I hope it will work, because. So let's check what this is. Okay, so this is what this thing looks like. It's a digital luggage scale. Yeah, I got this from Jumia, so I have not opened it. So I unboxed it with all of you. So I needed something handy for traveling. So if you are traveling or you'll be traveling very soon, get one for yourself. I'm not trying to advertise anything, but it's very good and okay for you. This one, let's know they work. Waiting happen. Waiting happen. Okay. I even thought that this is just like, I don't even know that this is the battery, and I've already opened it thinking that it's not working. So let's fix the battery together. The battery. So I guess it's like this. I guess it's to be facing like this. I fixed the battery already. Can you see that? I fixed the battery. It's inside there now. This is the battery. So let me cover it up and let's check. Wow, it's on already. It's working. So I've gotten a scarer for myself. No need of being scared of all these paying for excess luggage again. So this is good for traveling, very handy, you know. So all you need to do is get your hand or whatever. You see, so it's like I'm going to try this with one bag like that. So hold on, let me do that. Wow, this is so handy. That means I have to fix the bag and, you know, couple it up here. That's how to know the way. Okay, if you long press here, it will just switch off. If you long press it, it will come back. Wow, this is nice. This is handy. Oh my goodness. Wow, so I've gotten one for myself. I just decided to get this in case of necessity because because these people, the way they are charging people on luggage this time around, it's unbearable. It's unbearable. So, and so thank you for being part of me to unbox this package over here. I got a digital luggage scarer. So, and if you're still watching up to this moment and you haven't subscribed yet, darling, what are you waiting for? Like, what are you still waiting for? Please subscribe. Okay, subscribe, like, share, and be part of this family. I love you all. Okay, thank you, and see you all in my next video. Bye.